Hello guys, today is the last day of the month and I know everyone is waiting for EXO's comeback, but we have to be very patient. Now I'll be sharing my last set of merchandises for the last day of the month of March. Now this is Tao and Sehun's Nature Republic postcards. You can only get them if you buy soaps from Nature Republic, Hong Kong. So they are exclusively for Hong Kong only. If you're gonna notice, the pictures are the same as the Nature Republic fans. Now if you're going to compare them to the ones that you can purchase internationally or in Korea, it's different. They don't have flowers. So that is Tao and Sehun. These are very expensive because we import them from Hong Kong. Almost looks the same, but the background is different. And of course, the posing. Like I told you, you can find this picture in the Nature Republic fan. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on April. Good night.